Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best bridal shower party decoration pack is probably one of the most exciting ways to transform your celebration space into a dreamy, unforgettable setting for the bride-to-be, offering a cohesive and stylish theme that takes the stress out of planning and allows you to focus on creating cherished memories with loved ones, ensuring every corner radiates elegance and joy for this special pre-wedding milestone. Number 5. EpiqueOne 20-piece tissue paper pom-poms. Vamp up your party with these adorable puff balls. They are ideal for various events, adding a touch of elegance and a burst of color to any celebration. Delight in the charm of these pom-pom balls, featuring an exquisite color palette of blush pink, dusty rose, mauve, and cream. Each color comes in 5 varying sizes for a stunning display. It's easy to decorate with these puff balls for crafts. Simply tie a string, unfold, and gently peel each tissue paper layer to fluff them into a rounded shape. These festive pom-poms are simple to set up. Hanging them around your venue effortlessly elevates the ambience, completing the vibe for a truly unforgettable party. These charming pom-poms offer excellent value. They are easy to set up, reusable, and perfect for transforming the vibe of future occasions with minimal effort. What we like? Looking for a versatile decoration that adds a pop of color and texture? These pom-poms come in a beautiful range of shades and sizes, making them perfect for creating stunning backdrops or accents. If you love a DIY aesthetic and want decorations you can use again, these are a fantastic choice for any celebration. What people say? No adhesive on this, but since it's made of tissue paper it stuck to the wall with tape easily. Easy to use, fun putting it together, and so pretty. They came with a few jumbo-sized ones that I hadn't seen before. Absolutely love that they come in 5 different sizes. Number 4. Whaline Diamond Engagement Rings Bridal Shower Decorations. Add a touch of glamour to your special event with these dazzling diamond engagement rings. They are perfect for any bridal shower or wedding celebration. Elevate your table settings with these exquisite rings. They serve as beautiful accents that guests will surely admire. Looking for a unique party favor? These rings are a charming addition to your party supplies, adding a memorable touch for your guests. Make your desserts unforgettable. These rings are ideal for use as delightful cupcake toppers, adding a festive sparkle to your sweet treats. You'll receive a generous pack of 36 rings, ensuring you have plenty for all your decorating needs. They offer great value for your celebration. These versatile rings are designed to complement any wedding or bridal shower theme. They are the perfect accent for a memorable occasion. What we like? Want to add a touch of sparkle and elegance to your wedding reception tables? These diamond rings are designed to be the perfect accent for your centerpieces or scattered across the table. If you're aiming for a glamorous and cohesive wedding theme, these will surely impress your guests. What people say? The ring itself can fit the average finger. It looks beautiful and simple. Honestly, it does look a lot like a real ring. They were actually adjustable, so that made them easy to fit. Quality and durability was also surprisingly great. Only one rhinestone fell out the entire night. Love that they're adjustable for any finger size. The metal's about the flexibility of a paperclip, and we didn't have any issues with gems falling out. Number 3. NICROLANDEE Rose Gold Crepe Paper Streamers Kit. Elevate your celebrations with NICROLANDEE's premium crepe paper streamers. This super value kit offers 8 rolls in beautiful rose gold and complementary colors, perfect for any occasion. Our streamers feature vibrant, saturated colors like maple leaf rose gold, brown, light pink, and dark brown. Made from premium, recyclable crepe paper, they're an eco-friendly choice for your decorations. Each roll is an impressive 82 feet long and 1.2 inches wide. This generous length means you won't need to splice, making decorating quick and hassle-free. These crepe paper streamers are neatly bundled and incredibly easy to hang. Create stunning effects by draping them from ceilings, twisting them into spirals, or adorning furniture. From weddings and Valentine's Day to birthdays, baby showers, and family gatherings, these elegant streamers are the ideal decoration to personalize any party style. What we like? Need to create a dramatic and stylish party atmosphere quickly? These rose gold streamers offer a generous length and are incredibly easy to drape and hang, allowing you to transform any space with minimal effort. If you're going for a chic and modern look for your bridal shower or birthday, these are an excellent way to achieve it. What people say. The colors are bright and vibrant, and the paper is lightweight and easy to hang or twist. It works great for streamers, doorways, walls, tables, and party backdrops. The paper doesn't tear easily and unrolls smoothly. Number 2. STOFINITY Wedding Advice Cards and Box Set. This set provides a beautiful way for your loved ones to share their heartfelt wishes and advice. It's a perfect keepsake for the happy couple. With 50 cards included, all your guests can join in the fun. They can share their best marriage advice, making the celebration even more memorable. This charming box is designed to safely store all the special advice and wishes. It serves as a wonderful alternative to a traditional guest book. Ideal for engagement parties, bridal showers, and reception activities. It adds a unique touch to your wedding festivities and serves as a delightful memento. The set includes a stylish wooden box and 50 dual-purpose cards. They are perfect for collecting advice and planning fun date nights. These cards offer more than just marriage advice, they also provide prompts for fun date night ideas. It's a versatile addition to your wedding essentials. What we like. Searching for a meaningful way to capture memories and engage your guests. This set provides beautiful cards for guests to share their wisdom and well wishes, all stored in a charming wooden box. If you want a keepsake that the happy couple will cherish for years to come, this is the perfect addition to your bridal shower. What people say. The bride-to-be loved the rose gold color and the variety of items included in the pack. The banner was easy to hang and looked beautiful as a backdrop for photos. The confetti added a nice touch to the tables and was a good quality. Number 1. EFAILY Rose Gold Bachelorette Party Decorations. Make your bachelorette party a night to remember with our complete decoration kit. It includes everything you need to celebrate this special milestone and usher in a new chapter. Planning your party has never been easier. Our all-inclusive kit has 82 pieces, perfect for bachelorette parties, bridal showers, or engagement celebrations, all designed for effortless assembly. Get the ultimate party package delivered in a beautifully customized box. This all-in-one kit features elegant rose gold decorations, including balloons and more, to make your celebration perfect. Make the bride stand out with our special sash. It's crafted from shimmering glitter material with elegant rose gold foil lettering, unlike ordinary satin sashes. Capture stunning photos with our shimmering foil backdrop and fun props. Create lasting memories and share your joyous moments as this new adventure begins. Our decorations feature a gorgeous rose gold theme, adding a touch of elegance to your celebration. From balloons to backdrops, everything is designed to impress. What we like. Dreaming of a perfectly coordinated and glamorous bachelorette party without the stress? This comprehensive kit includes everything you need, from a stylish sash and veil to eye-catching balloons and backdrops. If you want a hassle-free way to create stunning photos and an unforgettable celebration, this all-in-one pack is your best bet. What people say. The color was spot on and just like the picture. Great quality. Nothing broke on us and the balloons were easy to inflate and stayed inflated the whole day. This kit had everything we needed to decorate for a bachelorette party. Perfect colors, lots of variety, easy to inflate and hang. Made a fun atmosphere to the party, the bride loved it. They lasted all weekend outside on the campsite in August, so they're pretty sturdy. I love how everything is compactly stuffed into the tiny bag it came from. It definitely helped with traveling and bringing along for a bachelorette trip. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.